Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Imam from Accounting and Finance Department. It's just to brief you what do we have in Accounting and Finance Department in Admas University, and to tell you why you are choosing a career in Accounting and Finance. Choosing a career in Accounting and Finance, you have to have reasons such as job security, opportunity and in future advancement, and then multiple paths in the profession. You should have the opportunity to help people. You might be there to have your insight in starting your own business. So we are going to equip you about this accounting and finance careers, which will make you to be vibrant, flexible, qualified professional in the field. So that what do you need from me is you should have the ability to play with computers, because nowadays we are not anymore in a manual system, just some skill, spreadsheet capacity, interest to help people and to start your own business and working in a dynamic business world. And the other point is why you need to choose Admas University. Admas University is one of the universities in the world which provide internationally accredited certificate, and we do have highly qualified staff, and we have a very good friendly teaching environment. Come to Admas University, join us, and then we'll equip you with those different accounting and finance areas. You can be cost accountant, you can be financial manager, you can be project coordinator, you can be financial analyst, and then you are going to provide tax return for your government and then help people who have that confusion of dealing with businesses and preparing tax return. Welcome to Admas University, join Accounting and Finance Department. Let you enjoy your dream in the future. Thank you very much.